You think this is just a build for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2020, but it's more than that. This is a heist. It started with an idea and a name, Girlbike. Back in the day, bicycles for girls were designed so that they could be ridden with skirts. The bikes, that is. I wanted a guitar that had a fundamental piece missing. It should look complete in itself, fully functional, and yet a little bit off. I sketched and drew and thought about it. Nothing came to me. Until... Welcome to Crimson Guitars. Welcome to the 2020 challenge, where I would attempt to build a guitar using nothing but a bent chisel and my head as a mallet. There it was. I could only hope that Ben Crow would do his usual thing. He would go completely batshit crazy, not recognizing the singular shape he had accidentally created. Of course, Ben kept right on going, making a zany instrument. But I had my shape. Still, I have no power tools, no woodworking skills. How was I going to bring the girl bike to life? Hi, this is Matt. We're at Texas Toast Guitars. Thanks for watching. On my left, your right is Chris. Hi. It's been a busy week this week, Chris. What did you do? Painted. Anyway, we've got a lot to talk about today. First off, since Summer NAMM has been canceled, we're offering a build-your-own guitar body class for only $99. $99? Was he freaking kidding? That was like stealing from them. $99? Are you freaking kidding? That's like stealing from us. I have wood, a slab of ash, for the build your own guitar body class. Travel was tough during the outbreak. Luckily I had accomplices in Denver. Thanks, Ben and Tricia. It took 5 hours. Beloved pin routing, bandsawing, shaping. Matt Flaherty walked me through the bandsaw. Chris Fesker walked me through the rest. My first positive reaction to the girl bike was from Leslie McCurchie. It wouldn't be the only positive response that day.
And you're like, oh, how much different would everything be if you had a full-time camera and editor guy, right?
Look, okay, we have to talk about
Okay, let's talk about this.
This is an unofficial reveal,
okay,
because this, and you know what I'll have to say, this is not what some would consider the craziest thing that was done during the class.
No, there was a lot more, yeah.
Yeah, I was expecting 10 or 15 guys over the week to come in and cut out strats and cut out tellies. No. They, first of all, credit to you and Chris for allowing people to be creative and be like, hey, I want to do this thing that's weird and nobody's
never
ever
doing
done
that again.
before.
Yeah, from now on, it's all tellies.
Pick a template. Pick a template. Yeah, what was it, Wednesday or Thursday? Chris came in and he's like, I'm just relieved that I have a template for everything I'm doing today.
Yeah.
Because, this is crazy, but it's cool, and I love, everybody who follows our channel knows I'm all about people that want to try something different and not just bang out another whatever's been done a million times, and this is that thing. So if you're wondering what this is, I don't know what it is, but I called it the Half Splorer.
Okay.
Because you can see
Eric actually has the name for it.
Oh, it's a girl bike.
It's a girl bike.
Oh.
I think I'm hoping that when it's put together it will be oddly comfortable. I'm guessing. I don't
for somebody. I mean,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
That's a great name for this.
So why do you call it a half explorer?
Well, because if you think that you're like, James Hetfield, and from here
There you
down,
go. There's the James Hetfield.
from here down is an explorer, and the upper part is now gone.
Yeah.
I can see why it's called a girl bike, because the top part's just gone.
Ah, okay.
It makes sense. I get it.
But so what has he got? There's so much going on here. He's got 2 humbuckers,
A Jazzmaster pickup in the middle.
Jazzmaster pickup in the middle, a Jazzmaster or Jaguar trim, a Strat neck pocket. What is this?
It's a Jaguar.
Jaguar switch plate.
Yeah.
And then
And then-
rear controls.
And then the jack
and
is
then the
yeah.
jack is down here.
I'm
Just-
glad that this class doesn't include put it together.
It's crazy. So anyway, I just love that this was what was able to be done this week.
And he came in with a drawing,
Yeah.
and it
A
was
measured
all
drawing.
measured drawing, and yeah, and it was just a lot of put this here, put that there, measure this, measure that, and there you go.
And
Yeah.
this gets the record for, we have a record for the week for 0 templates at all. This
Yep.
gets the record for the week for the most templates used.
Most templates.
Yeah, for sure.
So you know what people
anyway.
are saying right now?
What?
Shut up and get to the reveal!
I didn't stop ripping off Flaherty and Fesker. The heist continued. Texas Toast is renowned for fabric finishes on guitars. Some guitarists like instruments that resembles Grandma's nightstand. I prefer something flashier. Now, Texas Toast uses Simtex sanding sealer, but I live in an apartment, and I didn't want to turn the place into a gas chamber. Water-based seemed to be the way to go. Following the method as best I could steal, I applied wood glue and pressed the fabric down. Then I went over it with Varathane sanding sealer.
Are those my fabric scissors?
Once a significant coat of sanding sealer was put on, the fabric edges were cut off. Going water-based was probably the first flaw in my plan.
Fuck!
Initially, the Great Guitar Build-Up was open to participants who purchased a kit from Crimson Guitars. I couldn't afford a kit. I'd just taken a trip to Denver. Still, I thought a backdoor into the contest was buying a Crimson kit neck. Again, couldn't afford it, trip to Denver, etc. So I went with Warmouth, which was definitely a mistake. By the time I got through my design, it cost just as much as a Crimson kit neck. Although I ordered the neck unfinished, I learned too late that it was covered with a protective oil, which is apparently resistant to wood glue. The fabric finish peeled off like the skin off a drowned corpse. So goodbye, Warmouth. I just don't have the time to sand the whole thing down. Hello, Muslati?